And the reason behind it is we get them to start thinking about their business as the CEOs of their business. And that mindset shift is really, really important because they begin to start valuing their time in terms of how much value they can add back into the business. If they're sitting down there working on something that they can outsource for $1,000, and they can be at the same time going and generating a contract value of $50,000, then that is definitely worth their investment of that $1,000. And the way that they begin to think about that makes a huge impact on their business. And then when they start thinking strategically, where they say, right, this is where I want to be, how am I going to get there? And these are the potential obstacles that can be in my way. And this is the way that I'm going to navigate myself, almost like a GPS, where you're saying, this is how I navigate my way through the potential obstacles. It makes a huge impact because everything then becomes aligned and they're not sitting there trying to do random things. You hear somebody say to you today that you need to run Facebook ads, and then tomorrow you need to go on your LinkedIn, and the day after you need to go and do sales, and the day after that, let's launch a new product. And it's all random. I'm not saying that none of these things are important. They are important, but they need to all be aligned together.